everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a demo using Polygel. This is a set that I bought from Amazon. It wasn't expensive at all. I think it was like £35 and I got 7 different Polygel. So when you open it up, it looks like this. You can see that I've obviously used it. So the different Polygels I get are light pink, pink, clear pink, white, cover pink, tea rose, clear, and milk white. So I've been given 8 Polygels, sorry, I think I said 7 before, yeah, 8 Polygels, and then a lip solution, which is only 30ml, so it won't last that long, a brush, this side's the brush, never mind, so yeah, a brush, and then to take the Polygel, I don't really know what it's called, a spatula we'll just call it, which I really like how it's dual ended. And then here are, oh never mind, here are the dual forms for applying the Polygel. Okay, so I have played around with these Polygels before, but I still don't really know how you use them. Like, I've got an idea, so this is more a beginner using Polygel. So if you're thinking about buying Polygel and not really sure how to use it, then this is a good video for you, because I'm kind of in the same boat, so we're learning together. Not sure what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to more experiment with these and try and do like maybe 2 colours, like a white and a pink, and try and get a fade. But to be honest, I don't know how well that will work. But I'm trying to pick a colour to use. I don't know, maybe clear pink sounds quite nice. I'll have a look at what that looks like. Oh, actually, no, it's too clear. Maybe light pink. Yeah, I like that. So I think I'm gonna be using this one. Yeah, so light pink is the one that I'll probably be using until, well, I'll use other ones because I'm going to experiment, but yeah, light pink. I'm going to need the lip solution, the thing, and these. So I've already prepped my nails, and to be honest, I kind of don't really want these to stay on that long, just because I don't think they're gonna look that great, in my personal opinion, but we could be completely wrong and I could do amazing. But how likely is that gonna happen? Not very. So first things first, I need to open this. Oh shit, that's really, oh my god. That is actually so frustrating. So which one, I'll do my thumb first, just because that seems like it'd be easiest. So I need to fit the dual form, and apparently it should be bigger. Okay, that's too big. It's slightly bigger. I don't know if that's too like perfect of a size. I don't think. I think we're alright. Okay, so colour pink, lip solution, which I should probably put this in something. Empty some of this lip solution into there. Nice. Got my lip solution. And then, oh, that smells a lot. Oh. And then we have, let's just dunk that in the lip solution. Oh, that's rolling off the table. Stay. Okay, now we need to grab some of that. Well, I've picked up the wrong one. I don't want clear pink. I don't think I wanted clear pink. Yeah, I wanted light pink. How am I going to get that back in? I'm just gonna do that because I don't actually want that pink. Okay, right. Take 2. Let's get the right colour polygel. Light pink. Yeah, light pink, that's the one. Take a bit of the light pink. Don't know how much I need, so I'm just gonna go with that. That seems like a decent amount. And then pop it in there. Oh god, you guys are going to be roasting me in the comments. And then I also don't know how long I want the nail. That actually didn't seem that bad. We also need to make sure that it's strong enough. But we don't want to make it look too thick because that would look absolutely horrible. Okay, right, I'm going to take a slightly smaller bead of the polygel and put it at the end of the nail. This is so fiddly, just saying, and it's sticky. More lip solution. Right, I think we're at the point where I put it on my nail. I don't want to press down overly hard and then all the gel comes out. Oh. Okay, it's definitely on. That is my cat. Ivy! Hello. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, now I'm going to get some more lip solution just to... Ow, and it burns. I forgot about this point. Okay, now it's been cured and it's time to pop it off. Oh, it's coming. Oh, that looks so not cute. Okay, so I filed it and it actually looks really nice. Like the shape I really like. Yeah, I had to file around the cuticle just because where I pushed the thing on, some of the polygel like moved around it. However, my only issue is I just needed to put a bit more polygel around the sides because you can see here what I haven't done enough. But yeah, I've not completely finished filing, but you know what? Compared, that looks really nice.